Right, a bit more scrap here, guys. Let's go and have a look what we got. Pick up out of here. Oh dear me, what we got. A few bits here. I don't know whether them tools have got to go. I know that Hoover's got to go. Clearing his shed out. What's got to go here? Size are they? 16s. Commercials? Yeah. Oh, got some commercial tyres. Yeah. Michelin as well. 205 60 16s. So what's got to go here then? What, do you want any of them deal boxes? You need cupboards to put all the Makita stuff in. I'll take a couple of them. This 110 box has got to go, right? The cable, all these power tools, Makita saw, Makita rip saw, that's a Boss one, DeWalt, that cable, another Makita one. What else is there? Oh, another Makita one. That's a wheel undoer. So we've got that wheel undoer. An SDS. There's a fair bit of stuff here. I mean, the tools, I'll either sell them or put them in with the motors. I'll have a look at them first, see if any of them work. That Hoover, like I said before, there's a bit of a boiler system there. There's a bit of copper pipe in these boxes. A couple of pairs of pliers. But yeah, that's it. That's what's here. That's what we're taking. But yeah, we'll have all that. No worries. Well, I'm going to get it on the truck. And off to the next, see if we can get some more, eh? Catch you in a minute.